So, this is my vacuum here. It's already taken apart, and it's about how to change the filter in it. Now I just washed out the inside here quick, and I assume you know how to get the top off, because it's the easiest part. You need to do this whenever you empty this one. But this is not about emptying it. This is about changing this fine filter here. Let me show you how to do this. Now, you just pull it on here like this and take this filter off, and you throw it out, like depending on how dirty it is. This one I want to take out. So, can you get water in here? Yes and no. I think there is supposed to be a ball in here, in this thing. I don't know if you can remove this. I think you can. Usually there is a ball in here that prevents water from getting in there. In this case it's not. See, all this has to come off. Somebody sucked dirt with it. But we don't want the dirt here to get into the motor there. Alright. No reason to clean this dirt here, because it's going to get dirty anyway. Here is the new filter, as you can see. Patented. It goes on top of here. You put this knob here through that hole. Like this. Push it down. There. So now it's fixed. It cannot fall off. All tight and good. And then you can put the vacuum back together. Like this. Make sure it lines up. And lock it on both sides. Now, if you have an air filter on yours, like I do here, this is an engine air filter, so it's not so loud. This one you can wash out. You can see there's stuff in there. This one you can wash out. I don't know if you can spin this or how you get to this. Oh, there. Just grab it and then shake it off. And you can use water to clean it. So a quick warning, this is going to get loud. The question we need to answer today is it worth it to use this little silencer here on the Shopvac? Is there a difference? Let's see how the audio is playing here. Wow.